released more than rupees 900 billion for development activities across the province. Major achievements during financial year 2025-26 include completion of 952 schemes as per the following breakdown. I won't go through this breakdown to save time. This unprecedented level of investment supported roads, bridges, schools, hospitals, water supply schemes, irrigation infrastructure, public transport system, municipal services, and development activities benefiting citizens in every district of Sindh. These investments not only improved public services, but also generated economic activity, supported employment, and strengthened the foundation of long-term growth and prosperity. We believe responsible public finance is ultimately measured not by savings alone, but its impact on the lives of citizens. Honourable Speaker, I now turn to the measures undertaken by the Government of Sindh during 2025-26 to provide relief to citizens, protect livelihood, and support vulnerable segments of the society. Throughout financial year 2025-26, the Government of Sindh implemented a series of targeted interventions aimed at protecting livelihoods, reducing economic hardship, and supporting vulnerable segments of the society. These measures benefited farmers, workers, fishermen, transport users, traders, and households across the province. Honourable Speaker, one of the most tragic incidents during the year was the devastating fire at Gul Plaza, Karachi on 17th of January 2026. This claimed 72 precious lives and affected approximately 1,208 commercial units and businesses. Recognizing both the human tragedy and the economic devastation suffered by hundreds of families and traders, the government approved one of the largest relief and rehabilitation packages ever extended for a commercial disaster in Sindh. A comprehensive package of rupees 8.45 billion was announced, comprising compensation for bereaved families, direct financial assistance to affected shopkeepers, and compensation for inventory and business losses.